Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Drains. Today we have our very first episode of Scrub Grows series, so let's get right into it. So first off, let's start off by me listing 30 of my big art influences. So these are just like 30 different people, manga, games, anime that really inspire my art and make me want to improve and kind of want to like go in that direction. So the whole purpose of this channel and this series is for me to go from my scrub level of art and kind of go toward a more professional grade level of art where I can kind of do this more, like do this more as my profession rather than like as a hobby or something I just do all the time. So the first thing we're starting off with today is Hollow Knight. Hollow Knight is absolutely amazing. Not only is it a great game, it is just a beautiful, beautiful game with bold characters and a really painterly background, and it is just gorgeous from start to finish. Extremely frustrating, but gorgeous. So what I wanted to do was to start off with some studies of the Hollow Knight series. So I looked at the character with his very simple design and really wanted to encapsulate that in the big piece that I'm doing this week. So also, I struggle a lot with backgrounds, so I decided to look at a bunch of background pictures and kind of replicate them and really get a feel for what makes their backgrounds tick. They're very intricate, they're very dark, they're bright, there's a lot of contrast there, so I really wanted to bring that out in my art. So right now I'm just going around and doing my studies, trying to test out different poses, see what works, see what doesn't, and kind of come up with my own ideas of like the different designs I want for the background. So I'm feeling pretty confident, so now I'm going to go over to like the concept sketch for the big piece. So I'm kind of going for like a mystical feel, and after a few attempts I think I really liked the first one. The other ones, they were okay, but they weren't like amazing. So let's go ahead and get right into planning out this big one. Okay, first to start off with, when it comes to like bigger drawings, after planning it out, I usually go in first with blue pencil. The reason why I go in with blue pencil is because I find it really easy to draw over it. So if I make a lot of mistakes with the blue pencil, I can just kind of erase over it, it all disappears, or I can just draw directly over it with like a graphite pencil or something. So this one is, I'm having a lot of problems with the head. So Hollow Knight's head is like huge. It's really wide. It's not that tall, surprisingly, but it's really wide, and the artist really did a great job of making it really fit on his tiny body. And I just could not do that to save my life. So I literally had to erase the whole thing at one point. One, to center it, and two, because I just absolutely hated everything. So now that I got a design that I finally really like, I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing it in. I'm really feeling confident in this one. I really want to put my best into it right now because this is how I'm starting this whole series off, and I really wanted to start off on like a high note. So right now this is the best sketch I can do right now. And after you get those sweet sketch lines, it's time to go on with the sexy liner and get those real nice clean lines. I had so much fun. I mean, so much fun inking this. It took me no time at all. I was able to do everything in one sitting, and it came out so clean. So after I go ahead and get the first layer of lines in, I go in with like a thicker pen and try to vary up the line weight just to add more interest to the overall piece. And once I do that and I'm satisfied with it, I'm going to go ahead and take it digitally. Well, the best part about digital is just I can adjust the image to where I like it, so I wanted his head to be a bit fatter, so I went ahead and did that. And also another reason why I'm going digital is because I'm not the best at digital art. I'll be the first to admit it, but the only way to improve is by practice. So here we are, just trying out stuff that we don't usually do, and I really want to try my best and kind of explore a new area with this piece. So I decided to use a completely new brush, and I only used this one brush the whole time. It was like a watercolor brush to really go for like this painterly style, which what the game kind of encapsulates. Like, you'll look at the game, the characters are bold and usually like they don't have a lot of shading to them, while the backgrounds are super painterly. It looks like it was made on a canvas or something. Absolutely gorgeous. So for that effect, I used a water brush in Procreate, and I think it came out really well. I mixed the colors pretty well. I made it really look like I painted this. And honestly, when it comes to the colors in the background, I'm super happy with it, because one thing about me is I'm extremely weak with background. So this was a real step up for me, and I'm pretty happy with the results. So overall, I really loved making this piece, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you can go ahead and just let me know what you think in the comments below. Go ahead and tell me what you think, what I can improve on, what would you like to see, and if you'd like me to do anything else on this channel that interests you. So thank you guys for checking me out. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.